Hello? Oh. Hello guys, welcome back. Yeah, you kinda know this game. It's tag game. Yeah. Please, please don't bully me because I played this game before. This one is fire. Boom boom. Yee 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 yee. Well, this is a seesaw for me. I am him, the guy. Okay. They don't care. Let's play one this. Yeah, guys, I know the hunt is over, but I'm just playing this because I like it. Alright guys, I played this game before, and don't ask me why I'm playing this, because it's just for fun. I love it, and sometimes it's big. Oh my bad. Fire in the hole!
Attention, inmate 50-A. Remain in place as personnel arrive. Consequences will be decided upon arrival. Inmates 50-A through 50-E are now on a 10-minute break.
Please don't worry how I look because I already get it.
To all inmates, please ensure you are back to your cell by the end of your 10-minute break.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you talking about this? What do you want? Get out of here. What do you want? Who are you?
Do not move. Go. Really?
Yo, Mr. Scientist, go.
What? Security! Wait! Get off of me! Will you calm down? What? Huh? my job, so whatever.
Goofy,
The
I'm
reactor
on
is
it.
mainly composed of 3 sectors. You are in communications. Those 2 little things on either side are airlocks. They should let you pass to the other sectors. Unfortunately, you'll need a key card, but there's probably one lying around here anyway. Oh, I wouldn't recommend the left bridge. It collapsed during a recent test. The coolant sector is lightly guarded, so it shouldn't be much of an issue. Your job here is to redirect power and shut down the areas.
Not
This should
this is
trip our
boring.
emergency system
I
since
can.
an evacuation tram.
Alright, guys.
That tram should take you to the coolant sector.
Alright, guys.
I'm not over there much,
Let's make
but
this
I
fun.
rarely see anyone come in and out. You'll need to overload the turbines. High power.
Yeah.
I don't know what they use to power that thing, but it's pretty sensitive.
This is fire. This is fire.
I'm not sure who's gonna be.
This is out and through. Oh. Okay.
Put your hands up.
Why did I do that?
Man, I bet the other guys are slacking. I don't see anything out of order.
Just wait for that guy to pass.
Seriously, considering quitting my job this size. This guarding the place, you know. Can any of you guys understand God, you know? Or is he just speaking English? Because everyone around me seems to understand him, but all I hear is just... I don't... are you just pretending, or...
Yeah. They won this. Hurry up. Hurry up. I don't have time. Then what happened if I fought? Nah. I'm not going to test that.
Hey, spotted them!
Oh, dang.
You gotta keep it down.
My bad.
Hey, stop!
What? What? Yeah. What? Yes, sir.